on site. It's a cold day on site, bro. It's like 58 degrees up here. We are bundled up. Bundled up. Bundled up out here, man. Chris got his hat on backwards. Yeah, it's cold out here. I'm about to set that fire.
Got our whole setup here with the EcoFlow Solar Generator.
Shout out EcoFlow.
Here, our internet is there.
Shout out Starlink too.
We went and got some new hats at Cal Ranch.
Alright, let's go see what we did yesterday. Come on, Chris.
Come on, Jason. Okay. Goals for today. TJ, this is the part that we're going to be clearing today. Move! This whole area here needs to be cleared. Greenhouse is going to be set up right in front of this tree here.
We got our storage unit, which is going to hook all our things we'll put it right here. I feel better when you're right here.
Ah, hot. Oh, I just burned my throat. And my tongue. This cup works too good. Okay. Move!
These dogs are killing me.
Yeah, I cleared this section here. I'd like for us to get all of these yellow bushes out of here because they're so obnoxious.
Just like these dogs.
Move! See any waspy guys in here? It's too cold for them, or did it make it warm in here for them?
No, I mean, I killed them all. I killed most of them. Look, that nest is empty.
Another nest?
Yeah.
Here, Tony, is that long enough?
I don't see no wasps on it. Yeah, it is actually. Go ahead, hit it.
Nice.
Go on next to it, get that one too. Get that.
What's that? Isn't that a cart right there on top?
There's a cart right there.
Huh.
There's a cart right over here.
Looks like some cement supplies.
Huh.
Garden bed.
Right here.
There's a what?
There's a cart right here.
I know, but it doesn't have no wheels on it.
Yes, it does.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, it has wheels on it.
Oh, okay, it does actually, Tony. Yeah, the basket part. Okay. So, what side are we working on? Like just the kind of 360 of the oh, that could have worked.
Yeah. Wait, what? What did you say?
360 clearing of the structure. Everything that's within the fence.
Okay.
Y'all want to check out upstairs? Chris, you go first. And you see what that's like. Go any further or not? Jason, get back! Stop following us. Following us? Okay.
Psych.
It's shaking, Chris. Now I can't go up there because Chris ruined it. Yep, kick. Marka! Marka! We need to figure out how to get this from up here so we can fill it.
Him looks scared. He doesn't have the balls today.
This right here
Right.
does not look good.
No.
This right here.
I'm not.
Once that looks good,
But how's it gonna look good?
I gotta fix that wood or something.
Who's the one? Right. Who?
Hootie hoo.
Okay, Chris, we're gonna be using that to fill up.
Clearing the area for the future greenhouse. Next, we cleared a space for the storage shed. We met this native creature.
Hey, the fangs on this thing.
It was very windy, as you can tell by the flag. Time to build. These instructions were lame. A few hours later, teamwork makes the dream work.
Do you have a time as to when we started?
From Amazon.com.
5x3 garden shed. We just need somewhere to put all of our tools like this, because we just been putting them in that semi shed. Boom. Done. In the box, I think. No. You want mines? You want mines? Where are the kid? Wait, didn't you have the same kind?
Yeah, but I want mine.